splits into 3 pieces plus the nose, and the wing splits into 4 pieces.
Oh,
Look
okay.
at the wall behind you. That's that exact airplane right there.
Ah, yeah.
So you can see it. So the total length of the center section is the longest piece. It's 69 inches. It's actually really small for an airplane the size it is.
So when you brought this one to California, it was split in the crate like that?
Yes,
Okay.
in the crate like that.
Like you said, it's 1.9.
Yeah, that's wild. So production's changed a little bit on the leading edge here. You can see the difference of the leading edge. That is really incredible.
It's finished. And then we have to schedule it in the container and ship it over.
Compared to,
you know, you really want you want to have it faster or something like that. Because we do it in the wood crate, you can make a choice and say, let's ship it here. You know, then basically like when you read, you would have it with you know. Other than that, it would maybe be March because you have to always calculate like a 6-week shipping.
we were just talking with Andreas about shipping the plane as well too, and this is a good example of how it breaks down. So the airplane itself can break down to about 1.9 meter size. So 3 pieces on the fuselage, absolutely incredible. So beautiful setup, absolutely stunning. On this side we've got a little bit more light on it, but just stunning. CARF did such an amazing job on this aircraft. Just beautiful. So if you're not aware, we do have kit number 1 from the production line coming to the lighter side of RC.